Welcome to Boutir Tutorials.
In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to understand your online sales.
For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start.
In your homepage, go to Orders. Firstly, we'll be guiding you on how to filter your orders. Tap on this filter button to filter your order. Here, you can filter orders according to its payment status, product, payment method, and delivery method. Next, here are the steps to review your incoming orders. Firstly, select the order you'd like to review. Here, you may review the status of the order. If it's an order with bank transfer as a payment method, you would have to approve the transaction before confirming the order. Check your customer's uploaded bank transfer receipt here. If there are any issues with the order, you may contact your customer by tapping on the phone number. Now, we will guide you on how to decline an order. While reviewing an order, you may tap Decline to decline the order. A pop-up will then appear for you to fill in the reason for rejection and also confirm the declination. Your customers will be automatically notified via email if you decline their order. If the details are correct, you may approve the order by tapping on Confirm Payment to proceed with the order. Again, note that confirming payment is only for orders made via bank transfer. Once the order is complete, click Confirm Delivery. Your order status will then change to complete. Lastly, here are the steps to check your transaction quota. In your orders page, you will find your transaction quota here. Do note that you will not receive any more orders after you have used up the quota. Please be informed that different plans have different transaction quotas.
That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.